Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome back to Next Level English Prep. This is lesson 6 in our mini grammar review series. And today, we're focusing on prepositions of place. What are prepositions of place? Well, prepositions of place tell us where something is. Let's take a closer look. Again, prepositions of place tell us where something is in relation to something else. Here are a couple of examples. The book is on the table. The phone is in my hand. Let's start with the three most common prepositions of place: in, on, and at. We use in to talk about objects in enclosed spaces, like a box, a room, a country, places like that. The pen is in my hand. On is used for surfaces like tables, floors, walls, roads, and so on. The pen is on my hand. At helps us talk about specific points or locations, like the store, school, the park, the bank, and places like that. She's waiting at the bus stop. We can think of it like this: in is kind of like inside, on is on a surface, and at is always going to be a point or a position. By, next to, and beside mean close to something. And they're all three very similar to each other. The eraser is by the phone. The eraser is beside the phone. The eraser is next to the phone. All three of those sentences mean the same thing. Between means in the middle of two things. My finger is between my eyes. Remember, you only use between when you're talking about two things or people. Behind means at the back of something. The yellow flowers are behind me. In front of is the opposite. It means ahead of or facing something. There's a screen in front of you. Under means below something. The marker is under my hand. Over means above something, but not touching it. The marker is over my hand. Now, where's the whiteboard marker? Yep, that's right. It's on my hand. On is touching something. Over is not touching. Across means on the opposite side of something or from one side to another. The store is across the street. We walked across the field. Among means surrounded by several things or people. The house is hidden among the trees. Let's get some practice. Can you find and correct the mistakes in these sentences? Go ahead and pause the video for a few seconds while you work. Here are the correct answers. How did you do? Now, let's fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Pause the video again. I bet you got them all right. Now let's practice using prepositions of place to talk about your own life. Answer these questions out loud, or you can write them in the comments below. That's it for today's lesson on prepositions of place. Thanks for watching, and make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons for more mini grammar lessons and quick tips from Next Level English Prep, and we'll see you next time.